So if you have an expectation that a parent's going to be a certain way, what you do is you should on them. S-H-O-U-L-D. Should. See, that word is what sets you up for upset. Think about a human being in your life right now. Think about how they should be. Ready? And think about a way that they should be that they're not, and then you get upset. Is everybody still with me? Are you trying to narrow it down to 5 people? So think about this person and the expectation that you created for them. They should be this way. And when they're not this way, do they get upset or do you get upset? So what we do is we create expectations for other humans, most of the time don't share it with them, and then we get upset at them. If you like being upset, that's fine, keep it going. If you actually don't want to be upset as much, then be a star. Stop, think, act, review. In the moment of your upset, if you can, stop. Think. What expectation did I create for this person? Act. Change or even eliminate the expectation. Review. Am I happier?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.